Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about using functions, part of programming in C course. Functions are used to structure and organize code into smaller, reusable blocks. Functions help to make code easier to understand, debug, and maintain. Here are a few ways to use functions in C programming. Code reusability. Functions can be called multiple times within a program, making it possible to reuse the same code multiple times. Modularity. Functions allow you to break down a complex program into smaller, manageable parts. This makes it easier to understand and debug code. Improved readability. Functions can make code more readable by clearly defining the purpose of a section of code. Information hiding. Functions can hide implementation details from other parts of the program, making it easier to change the implementation without affecting the rest of the code. Improved maintenance. Functions can help to reduce the impact of change to the code, as changes can be made in a single function rather than throughout the program. To use a function in C programming, it must be declared before it is called. The function declaration includes function signature, which specifies the return type, function name, and parameter list. The function definition includes the function signature as well as the code that is executed when the function is called. Once a function is defined, it can be called from anywhere within the program by using its name followed by the argument list in parentheses. The arguments passed to the function must match the parameters defined in the function declaration. The function will return a value of the specified return type. Here is an example of using functions in C program. In this example, the function sum takes two integers a and b as input parameters and returns the sum of these two numbers. The function is declared in the first line after the hash include statement. The main function prompts the user to enter two integers, which are then passed as arguments to the sum function. The function returns the sum of two integers, which is stored in the variable result. Finally, the sum is displayed on the screen. This example demonstrates the use of functions to improve code readability and reusability. The sum function can be used in other parts of the program without having to duplicate the code. This helps to avoid errors and make the code easier to maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.